the Ferrari F80 makes an instant statement. Inspired by Ferrari's Formula One and World Endurance racing cars, its design is both aggressive and functional. The low, sharp front end, active aero, and rear diffuser are engineered to create 2,315 pounds of downforce at 155 miles per hour, keeping the F80 glued to the tarmac. The combination of carbon fiber and lightweight materials reduces weight while optimizing performance. At the heart of the Ferrari F80 is an innovative hybrid powertrain. A 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 engine produces 888 horsepower, but Ferrari didn't stop there. The F80 is equipped with 3 electric motors, 2 at the front axle and 1 integrated with the engine, adding an additional 296 horsepower. Combined, the F80 delivers an incredible 1184 horsepower and can hit 0 to 60 in just 2.2 seconds. The F80 also comes in an abundance of stunning colors. Here are a few of them. Step inside the Ferrari F80, and you'll find a driver-focused cockpit brimming with advanced technology. The steering wheel is inspired by Ferrari's Formula One cars, putting all the critical controls at your fingertips. The digital dashboard displays real-time data, offering the driver immediate insights into the car's performance. Aerodynamics plays a key role in the F80's performance. The car's active aero includes a rear wing that dynamically adjusts to optimize downforce and reduce drag based on speed and conditions. At high speeds, the F80's active systems can shift to provide more stability, especially in tight corners or during heavy braking. This hypercar is not just about going fast in a straight line. Ferrari engineered the F80 to dominate on twisty roads and circuits, thanks to its advanced aero and suspension systems. So how does the F80 compare to its predecessors? The F80 has more horsepower and advanced technology than the LaFerrari, thanks to its innovative V6 hybrid system. With the LaFerrari, Ferrari started exploring hybrid powertrains, but the F80 takes it even further with a more powerful engine and refined electric motor integration. Compared to the LaFerrari's V12, the F80's V6 might seem like a step down, but don't be fooled. The F80's hybrid system from the 499P pushes out more power while improving efficiency, making it Ferrari's most advanced hypercar yet. Ferrari plans to produce just 799 units of the F80, ensuring it will be as exclusive as it is powerful. This hypercar marks Ferrari's continued commitment to innovation, pushing the boundaries of what hybrid technology can achieve in high-performance vehicles. Ferrari is clearly moving toward a future of hybrid and electrified supercars, and the F80 is a glimpse of what's to come. Expect more hybrid technology in future models, and perhaps even a fully electric Ferrari in the near future. With over 1,100 horsepower, cutting-edge hybrid technology, and a design that's pure Ferrari, The F80 is a true successor to the LaFerrari. But what do you think? Is this the future of hypercars? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to Pit Stop News, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest in automotive news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.